Whoa, just in time for the holidays, here are 12 gifts that you can get for that woodworker in your life that won't break the bank. Let's go. Okay, these first few gifts kind of have to do with safety. Number one, dust mask. I have used the RZ mask for a long time now. The only issue I've ever had with it is the fit. Even when it's on and I've tried different sizes, it just never seems to fit and hug my face. Watch out, RZ mask, because there's a new person in town. I don't know how new they are, but they reached out to me a couple of months ago, sent me over some masks to try out, and I have to say I'm very impressed. This is Base Camp. This looks very similar to the same type of material and everything as the RZ mask, but here's where they leave them in the dust. When I put this on, I have a very, very good fit. I think a lot of it has to do with the straps, but they also have one that goes under the ear. It hugs my face completely. The fit is just so amazing. Of course, it comes with replaceable active carbon filters, just as easy to replace by taking these off from the inside here. The nose guard is very, very comfortable. I did not get the ones with the pads on the inside. You can get the replacement things here that have the little pad on the inside. I don't like them as well, but the fit is absolutely wonderful. It's definitely something you could pick up and won't break the bank for that special person in the wood shop.